She can sing, tell a story, share her favorite products, all from a single image. Automated into one prompt with Agent 2 by Hedra, the sponsor of this video. I got one picture and a couple hours to build her full universe. But I don't want to just tell this agent what to do. I want it to tell me what I need that I didn't know I needed. If that makes any sense. Hey, it does to me anyway. Interesting. I haven't seen this option before. Very useful to save credits. I would personally leave it on. Speeding all this up a bit. Cool progress animation though. Okay, not bad. But I want to go back to the look I had before. This is more like it. That macro shot is very nice. I'm gonna need that jacket back though, thank you. Let's get her whole bio and interests so we can work from there. Okay, I like all those bands myself. You can see it's matching her vibe. Even the guitar gear is on point. That's a lot of info. I want to see it on one of those old 90s music magazines. Okay, Nana Banana kinda overdid it with the text, but GPT Image 2 pulled it off perfectly. This is not supposed to be just a content machine. Bit more like ChatGPT meets Canva. So I can ask questions about what I should do to get the best results. We need to give her a consistent voice. I like this one with the emotional tone at whispering. Very ASMR.
I sound good.
And I'll try to make her sing too. We'll see how that goes. I'm trying this manually, but at the end, I'll create a skill so it does the whole process automatically. Did a couple runs with great models like Dance 2.5, but I had no idea they don't actually use my audio and instead recreate it. It can get close, but I want my custom voice sounding the same every time. Luckily, this Hedra avatar model does exactly that.
Hey, welcome to my 2 a.m. jam session.
I like putting weird old lenses in the video prompts to spice them up. It changes the whole style of the clips. This is one of my favorites. It has a crazy swirly bokeh. And of course, VHS or even DVD never fail. Obviously, we can just try different models separately. I've been wanting to run Flux 3 since it came out. I thought about a custom line of guitar picks for her to sell. Now that we got the voice, the look, now we can simplify it all by using a skill. I picked UGC, of course. Right now, still approving each step, but after trying to get her to sing, I want to automate it. I had to make sure that was even possible. So I simply asked. Okay, that's a yes. But first, back to the UGC.
These custom holographic guitar picks are my favorite. Check the web store if you want to grab one.
Making the whole process into our own custom skill is the game changer. Because then, all I have to do is type what I want her to say. Or sing. To bring it all home, we can connect to tons of other apps and get our workflow running seamlessly. Check it out at hedra.com. It's free to start, or use the link in the description to get 50% off your first month.
Thanks for stopping by.